Hello guys, come with me, let's make some yummy pepper turkey. Years back, I decided to follow my mom to the market to buy some food stuff for Sunday cooking. But my main aim of following her was to bring back the tomatoes only. I would leave her to buy other stuff while I would go home. So we got to the market and reached where we were to buy the tomatoes. The line of people selling tomatoes was long. When we got to the first seller, I was happy and ready to go home early. My mom looked at her tomatoes for some minutes and decided to pass. We got to the second one, she did the same thing. That was how I followed her to cross more than 30 tomato sellers. She didn't buy any of them. I really got tired and decided to wait at a corner. When she's done and finally buys any, she should call me. My mom reached the extreme end of the people selling tomatoes, but she didn't buy any. She had to come back to the first seller again. And she still passed. She moved on like that until she got to the middle seller. She stayed there for some minutes, and she finally went back to the first person again. Finally, she called me to come and take tomatoes home. You won't know how happy I was that day. When I got to her, they apparently concluded on one rubber of tomatoes for 700 naira. But as I was about to carry it, the one rubber, my mom asked the seller to give her 2 rubbers for 500. No be small bargaining. I spent another 30 minutes waiting for her to finish the bargaining. Men and brethren, finally, I brought back the tomatoes. Guess what? After hours of infinite wait, guess what? My mom bought the 2 rubbers for 300 naira. 2 rubbers for 300 naira. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.